Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been working on a project in Photoshop and realized your text just needs to be at a different angle to fit your design perfectly? Today, I am going to show you how to rotate text in Photoshop using 3 different techniques that will make your workflow so much faster. Whether you are creating a poster, social media graphics, or a complex digital illustration, knowing how to manipulate your text layers is a fundamental skill. If this tutorial helps you speed up your design process, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly creative tips. Let us jump right into the software. The first and most common method is using the free Transform tool. Start by selecting your text layer within the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Once selected, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard for Windows or Command+T for Mac to engage free Transform. You'll see a box appear around your text. To rotate it, simply move your cursor slightly outside any of the corner handles until your icon turns into a curved double-headed arrow. Click and drag your mouse to rotate the text to any angle you desire. If you want to keep your labels perfectly straight, here's a pro tip. Hold down the Shift key while you drag. This will snap the rotation to specific 15-degree increments so you can get a perfect 45 or 90-degree angle easily. Press Enter once you are satisfied with the position. The second method uses the top menu, which is great if you need to be precise. Again, select your text layer, then navigate to the top menu bar. Go to Edit, select Transform, and then choose Rotate. You can drag to rotate just like before, but you can also go to the Options bar at the very top of the Photoshop interface. There you'll see a box where you can type in a specific angle. Input 90 for vertical text or 180 to flip it completely upside down for a unique style. Press Enter to confirm your changes. Finally, if your goal is not just to rotate the text, but to have it stack vertically like a list, you do not need to rotate it manually at all. Select the Type tool, which is located in your toolbar on the left, identified by the letter T. Instead of just clicking normally, right-click on that icon and select the Vertical Type tool from the drop-down list. Now, any text you type will automatically orient itself vertically. It saves you from having to rotate individual characters or lines. I hope these 3 methods help you master text placement in your own projects. If this video helped you out today, please smash that like button and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.